Cut? Honey, are you sure my birthday present can be taken here and now?
You'll be shocked to find out what you inform.
Okay, almost done. Almost done. Turn around? Huh, okay, come on.
Let's keep going.
Okay, honey, come on. Okay, so, take off. Is my present somewhere here? Oh, eat the cake. Oh my God, guys. so nice. Thank you so much. Nice.
How do you like your cake? There's a surprise in it.
Honey, it's so delicious. So, is this cake my present?
You're about to find out.
Where's the present? Honey. Honey, so, where's the surprise?
Daddy,
Yeah.
here are the tissues.
Oh, thank you, son. What? What's that? I'm excited to share a tiny secret with you, Mike. Please read every message. Go this way. Notes will reveal some amazing news to you. Huh.
Guess which ball has a clue? Round and round we go. Where she stops, nobody knows.
Okay. Well, I guess my present is here.
No, it isn't.
Okay, you hit it well. So I guess probably should be here.
Another attempt.
Okay. Then it's here. Huh? Yeah! Number 5. What does number 5 mean?
Daddy, think.
Okay, so should I eat 5 more cakes?
Look, Mike. Kids, help me. Go.
First, second, third, fourth.
Ta-da! Fifth.
So?
So, look.
It's just a joke, right? Yeah, it's just a prank, probably, right? Yeah, honey, it's right. It's just a joke, right?
No. We're having a baby. This is not a joke.
Really? I'm going to be a dad for the 5th time? Oh my God, I'm so happy.
Sure I am. It's the best present ever. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you.